Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farizana and today I'll be showing you how to make a jelly fruit salad without heavy cream or cream cheese. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you are new to my channel or you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. And click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. I post 2 or more videos every week. I will start by making an orange jelly. Adding a cup of water to my pan, I'll add a teaspoon of sugar and stir it. Now I'll add a sachet of gelatin and stir it again. I will now transfer it to a bowl and add about a tablespoon of orange food color. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. This is how it's going to look like after 30 minutes. Know your jelly is ready when you touch it with your finger and your finger remains clean. Now cut it into smaller sizes and scoop it out to get the shape you are going for. Set the jelly aside. To a mixing bowl, I'll add about 2 cups of milk. To that, I'll add a half cup of condensed milk. You can do less if you want, but we aren't using sugar in this recipe, so we'll be using this as our sweetener. I'm going to add the jellies to a plate. For mine, I'm using 4 kinds of fruits, and they are coconut, mango, apple and watermelon. You can add any other fruit, just feel free. Mix everything together and refrigerate for 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes, and this is the time everything becomes super nice. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. Bye.